Welcome, Amazon professional sellers. This is a tutorial for advanced/experienced Amazon sellers. I'm sure you have wasted a lot of time listening to the beginner materials over and over from so many YouTubers selling their courses. That is all because there are not many sellers really capable of cracking down on Amazon algorithms. Even if they were a big seller before, once you take your hands off on selling your products, you're already outdated. Unless you are a beginner, do not listen to those outdated tactics from people who made profits before and not making profits now. I'm a professional Amazon business manager managing 10 million annual sales business. Therefore, I'm handling everything from product development to import to logistics, domestic shipping to Amazon Seller Central operation, to PPC and outside Amazon marketing, to sales strategy, to POA, plan of action, to brand registry, to return shipbacks, and everything else. I'll cover all those topics for building a successful and profitable Amazon business of yours. First, I want to dive into PPC, pay-per-click campaigns, because I believe this topic is directly related to your sales and you can easily adopt changes to start saving right away after listening to me. You make money more, Amazon can make less money off of you. Lesson 1. Outdated tactics. Run auto PPC campaigns first to mine keywords and then run manual campaigns on those keywords. This is generally well known among the Amazon sellers. This is not wrong, but wasting your time and totally filling up Amazon's pocket. When there are tools to save your time running the auto PPC and mining keywords, why waste 1 to 2 weeks of running auto campaigns? Cannot trust the data that those tools provide? I agree. I don't completely trust either, but that is the most cost-effective way available right now. Amazon does not give away the data at all. Even if you run auto PPC campaigns with a daily budget of $50 to $100, when you search your advertising reports by CTR or order numbers, most likely it's going to give you a bunch of ASINs of your competitors or complementary items. So the key point is just you get a bunch of ASINs in the reports, then why waste money? If you want to pull ASINs to start product targeting, it may be meaningful. I'm assuming that you already know that there are 3 PPC types and one of them is the product targeting. But right now in this first video, we're talking about the keyword, the auto and manual keywords. So if you don't know these types and this is the beginning, consider it as a beginning material. So see the link below and go learn those topics first. Anyway, you cannot really mine keywords this way, the traditional way. At that time, the tools were not perfect, nearly not trustable at all, and that's why this tactic worked. But not anymore. Over the years, those tools got improved, they invested it, and it became a little more accurate, a little more trustworthy. So if you're the Amazon manager, like Amazon account manager in Nike, you're going to get men's shoes, like MEN shoes, and men's shoes, MEN shoes, and men's shoes, MANS shoes, and men's shoes, MAN no S shoes, or men's shoe instead of plural, singular, men's shoe. And a bunch of other typos that people type on your advertising reports after running auto PPC campaigns. So on the report consisting of hundreds of keywords, one keyword, for example, I know it's ridiculous, but flying shoes may have around 50 impressions, 2 clicks, and 1 order, and that equals to 4% CTR and 50% conversion rate. That's crazy high. You're never gonna get 4% 50% conversion rate. But why do I get this number? Because the numbers are very low. That also tells you that the data cannot be trusted. So in this case, can you say that you have completed the keyword mining and start spending money on those keywords? No. Who's going to search that keyword based on your common sense, who's going to search that keyword? No, nobody will. It happened out of the luck. Next month, you will find a different keyword. Maybe a keyword with typo like nice shoes instead of Nike shoes, with around 100 impression, 10 clicks, and 2 orders. That's 10% CTR. Again, it's a crazy number. And it's going to look totally different in the next month. Again, that is because the data is too small, not trustworthy at all. 100 impressions and few clicks here and there is not going to give you a valid ROI metrics, return on investment metrics, such as CTR, conversion rate, etc. of a specific keyword. Based on those invalid ROI, don't judge the performance of the tested keywords. Based on the small number, don't turn on and off manual campaigns. Just put 1 or 2 hours of your time researching for the keywords prior to setting up your PPC. I personally use Helium 10, but you do not have to use this tool. I'm not selling these tools. If you have already paid for Jungle Scout, Merchant Awards, and so on, everything is fine. Go ahead and keep using them. On Helium 10, go to Keyword Magnet under Keyword Research. On this page, search a common name of your product like shoes. Even if Nike is selling auto lace shoes, they're still shoes. Therefore, you need to target keywords containing shoes. So, searching shoes on Helium 10, the search volume is 504,376 occasions. So, claimer, again, I'm not selling Helium 10 and cannot trust the data 100%. I'm sure you cannot trust anything out there 100% unless you can look into Amazon data pool directly. That search volume, anyway, the search volume is huge. Over 500K, that's huge. It means that 500,000 people searched the term in the last 30 days. So if you have an unlimited budget and want to compete with Nike and Adidas, try to target the keyword on your PPC campaigns. I bet you will waste lots of money. Even if you rank your item on page 1 of the keyword shoes, yes, it's possible. I'm not saying it's impossible. You have to continuously put a ridiculous amount of marketing budget every month. My point here is to find keywords with a small enough yet big enough search volume for your budget, finding the right size of the market. What is the right search volume number for your budget? Unless you consult with someone like me, you have to follow the general rules of thumbs. According to my general rule of thumb, if you allocated $50 daily budget for a campaign, you may target a keyword with a search volume of... I'll reveal the number in my next video. Make sure you like and subscribe with alarm on. Last word, remember to stick to one seller tool and build your sense of wonder. Thank you.